Imagine this. You're standing under a calm night sky. Everything looks peaceful. Stars twinkling, the moon glowing softly, and the universe stretching quietly above you. But what if I told you that behind this calmness lies a world of violent explosions, invisible monsters, cosmic mysteries, and secrets so bizarre they break every rule of physics we know? Today, we're opening the doors to those secrets, secrets hidden in the deepest corners of the universe. Welcome to the secrets of the universe. For thousands of years, humans stared at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond. Now, with modern telescopes, satellites, and deep space probes, we know one thing for certain: the universe is far stranger and far more powerful than our minds can imagine. From black holes that can stretch you like spaghetti, to stars that explode with the brightness of 100 billion suns, to invisible forces that pull galaxies like puppets on strings. The universe is not peaceful. It is wild, it is violent, it is mysterious. And today we reveal its greatest secrets. Every star you see isn't just a light in the sky, it's a nuclear reactor, a massive ball of gas burning millions of tons of hydrogen every second. Stars are born, they live, and they die, just like us. But their deaths are legendary. Some quietly fade into white dwarfs, others explode into supernovas, erasing planets, creating new elements, and even forming the building blocks of life itself. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, all forged inside a dying star. Meaning, you are literally made of stardust. Black holes are the most terrifying and fascinating objects in existence. Imagine something so powerful that not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape it. A black hole bends reality. It warps space. It distorts time. If you fell inside one, you wouldn't die instantly. No, you'd experience something called spaghettification. Your body stretched into a thin strand of atoms. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Scientists believe black holes might not destroy information. They might store it, or even lead to other universes. We are staring at cosmic monsters. That might be gateways. Now let's talk about the biggest secret of all. Everything we know, stars, planets, humans, galaxies, every atom makes up only 5% of the universe. The rest? We can't see it. We can't touch it. We don't understand it. Dark matter holds galaxies together, like invisible glue. Dark energy pushes the universe apart, accelerating it faster and faster. These two invisible forces control everything, yet we don't know what they are. It's like reading a book, when 95% of the pages are missing. The universe began with a bang, an explosion of pure energy 13.8 billion years ago. But how will it end? Will everything freeze? Will space rip apart? Or will gravity pull everything back into a final collapse? Every answer leads to another question. Every discovery reveals a deeper mystery. The universe is a cosmic puzzle, and we have only just started solving it. Every star, every galaxy, every particle tells a story about where we came from and where we might be going. This is not the end. This is just the beginning of the secrets of the universe.